Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials so Street View works reliably. Make sure Google Maps is updated and location services are on. This improves accuracy and loads imagery faster. Once done, open Maps and type an address or long press the map to drop a pin. Then tap the photo thumbnail or the Street View preview that appears at the bottom. This directly loads the 360 degrees imagery. Do that now and stay focused. The app takes you. You are now inside Street View and ready to navigate. Swipe left and right to rotate the panorama and drag up or down slightly to change pitch. This feels like turning your head. To move along the street, tap the white arrows or simply swipe along the blue path. This steps you forward one frame at a time. Pinch to zoom for closer details and use 2 fingers to twist the view if you need a different orientation. Make sure to pause between moves so imagery loads cleanly. Finish by saving or sharing the spot. Tap the 3 dots or share button to copy a Street View link or send it to someone. You can also tap save to add the place to a list for later. When you're done, swipe down to exit Street View and return to the map. If Street View won't load or images freeze, first force quit the app. Check that location permissions and network access are allowed, and update the app. This one fix resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.